Back in 2014, this new ASU came out to account for revenue on contracts with customers. The overall premise behind it is the fact that they want to be able to streamline how revenue is recognized over different industries and even within those industries amongst different businesses. Because what's happened is over time, different industries have basically tweaked the methodologies that they use to recognize revenue on contracts to better suit their industry. So what happens is, if you're trying to take a 20,000 foot view, you've got all these different industries and all these different businesses within these industries possibly recognizing revenue inconsistently. So someone who's looking on the outside looking in may not have the ability to properly compare financial performance. Well, as part of Topic 606, there's a 5-step process to recognizing revenue for contracts now. You first start out by identifying the contract, then you identify the performance obligations that are within that contract, then you determine the transaction price. Once that's done, you would then allocate the transaction price to the different performance obligations if there's multiple performance obligations within the contract. Once all that's been done, we can start the revenue recognition process, and that process of recognizing the revenue at a certain point in time or over a point in time. Well, the change for the construction industry is not going to be such a dramatic change. For us, applying GAAP, we typically use the percentage of completion method, which is actually a component of the new revenue recognition model. If we look at recognizing revenue over time, that's essentially what the percentage of completion model follows. The overall impact to the construction industry, there are going to definitely be some changes, but I don't think that you're going to see such drastic changes that other industries may see. What's really going to help is it will help our clients, but it also helps the other readers of the financial statements to better understand that we're following a common standard that they can kind of apply across lines to hopefully get some comparability.